Babe. Babe.
Oh.
Babe. Please don't leave. We could work things out.
Work what out? How?
You know I love you. Please don't do me like this.
Listen, love doesn't cut in for me anymore. I am ready for a man who is willing to do this life with me, who is ready.
No, but baby, you know I work very hard, alright? Definitely going to make it.
Donald, I loved you. I was willing to do this forever thing with you, but you're not ready.
Babe, look at me. Nobody knows tomorrow, alright?
Says a man who is not even ready to work hard like others.
But I am. I'm trying everything humanly possible. I swear to God, I'm trying.
Besides, tomorrow is Friday and I know it's going to be good.
Fuck. Oh my God! Donald, are you okay?
My leg.
So sorry.
Easy, I beg.
I'm sorry.
Sorry.
Donald, I'm sorry.
Beg.
Wait, let me take you to the resting point, okay? Take it easy. I'm so sorry. Just take it easy. I'm so sorry. Oh, it's okay. This must be painful. I'm sorry. Sorry.
Are you new to this job? Why would you break my block?
It was not intentional. It was a mistake.
Is what?
I
So
slipped.
if I'm not in this side, people... I'm sorry. You didn't break intentionally? So if I'm not around, this is what you people are doing in this industry, Abi? Breaking blocks! From your daily pay, I will collect my money. So continue to break more blocks so that my money will increase in your hand.
Babe, wait. Jesus. Dolly!
The latest car owner.
Wait. Dolly, this is your car.
Babe, use your eye now.
Girl, this is beautiful. Sorry. Ha! Can you get Ayo?
My baba get eye and I him buy him. And guess what? He said in the next 6 months, he's getting me a better one.
What? Wait, I know here where. You never drive this one finish. You won't buy you another one.
Yes, now. That is what you get when you drive with the big boys in town.
Dolly, you're living that life.
And that's
You're living the life.
I know, right?
And girl, we need to wash this car.
That is why I came here.
So where are we celebrating?
Get one place like that.
Okay.
Get one place. Let's rock and
Wait.
roll.
We can just pack up, eh?
Okay.
We will come out. I'm coming back. We need to. Dolly!
I'm waiting here. I can't go there. Okay, I'm waiting.
My girl.
Just leave all those things now. Hey. Shit.
Thank you.
How do you feel, Donald? Donald, I think you should go home. There's no way you're walking with this leg.
Bro, I know I can't go, man. I have to be to the end of work today.
Donald, there's no way you're going to work with a sprained ankle.
Bro, you heard the supervisor now. He's going to deduct my pay. I might as well work to the end of the day so I can make more money.
Can you please forget about this supervisor? You can't work with so much pain. Please. You need to get home.
I don't have a choice, man.
I'm so sorry.
Hey!
So sorry.
I don't have a choice, man. Bro, let's get back to work.
No. There's no way you're going to work with this pain.
I could try.
Are you going to do this? Donald, please. Donald, you need to go home. You need to go home.
Don't worry, we could try.
Seriously, are you going to do this?
Obim, you're back already. You're back. Obim, guess what?
What?
You know Dolly, my friend, her boyfriend bought her a car and it was delivered today.
Okay, that's nice.
Obim, you don't seem happy about it.
Well, I know you haven't noticed, but I sprained my ankle at work.
What? Oh my God! I'm so sorry, babe. I'm sorry. How did it happen?
Was at work?
Jesus. Sorry. Let me get ice water and dab it for you. Sorry. Oh. Hey. Jesus. No. Sorry. Okay. Come here. Sorry. Sorry, my love. Sorry. So let me just touch this side. Sorry. Hey. Sorry. Sorry. Hey.
Thank you. So, this your friend? What does she do for a living?
Obim, what sort of question is that now?
It's a question that every normal person would ask. What does she do for a living? This is not the life I wanted for myself. Living like a pauper. Just look at where I sleep. God, I was so damn good as a kid. In school, no one ever beat me in any exam. I have a first class in civil engineering, but I ended up as a as a common bricklayer. I can barely foot my bills, let alone support my family back home. And this beautiful angel in my life, I can't even take care of her. This is not the life I want.
My love, I'm off to the shop.
Okay. Babe, I was wondering if I could get some money from you. I'll return it to you at the end of the day.
Babe, I don't really have much on me right now. You know I went to the market to get things, and the prices of foodstuff have really gone so high. Everything is now expensive.
Okay.
You know what? You can come to the shop later and eat. Okay?
I will.
Take care of yourself. Alright? I'll see you later. Come to the shop.
Have a nice day.
Good morning.
Juliet, what's going on? I hope Papa is okay.
He's not. He's sick. I took him to the clinic and they are not treating him. They want a deposit of 40,000.
40? Where am I supposed to get 40,000 naira from now?
Brother, what happened to your leg?
Forget about my leg. It's not important. What's important now is Papa's health.
Bro, how is your leg now?
Well, it's much better than yesterday. Sandra helped out a lot.
That's good to know, but I wasn't expecting you to see you at work today.
Oh, bro, I don't really get any options right now, alright? Julia showed up this morning. My father is sick and he needs money.
Oh my God, I'm so sorry. I mean, this is not the right time for sickness at all. I'm so sorry.
Bro, I don't have an option, okay? I actually have to work today. I need to raise 40,000 naira to give Juliet. I don't have anything on me at all.
I understand, bro. I'm more worried about your leg.
Bro, don't worry. It'll be fine.
Are you sure?
Go manage it.
You just have to take it easy on yourself, bro. Okay? Be careful.
Now jollof rice dey here. Okay. No worry, you go like am. How many meat you want? Okay. No worry. Customer. No say things don't cost. Things cost though.
Everything they talk every day.
Everything don't cost.
Good balance, and I feel what I give me.
I don't want that. I think no worry now. If you don't want that, just drink one now. Babe, you're here already. I was meaning to come bring food for you.
No, don't worry. Food is not really important now.
Sorry. Are you okay?
Well, after you left this morning, Juliet came.
Juliet came. Is everything okay at home?
Well, to an extent, but my father is critically ill and there's no money for his treatment.
What? Hey! Ooh. Why are all these bad things happening at the same time? Yesterday it was your leg. Now your father is in the hospital.
Listen, babe, I don't know why I'm plagued with so much misfortune, but could you please borrow me 40,000? I need to give to Juliet to take care of Papa's medical bills.
40,000 naira. But baby, I told you that I don't have anything on me. I already bought things with the money in the market, and I've not sold up to 5,000 naira today.
What am I going to do now?
Baby, don't you have anyone in your workplace that can lend you?
Yeah, have fun. Any show?
Oh no. She doesn't have any money on her. She went to the market yesterday.
This is serious. Try. What are you going to do now?
I don't know. Do you have the money so that you lend me, or do you know somebody that I could borrow from?
Bro, honestly, the only money I have now is 40,000 naira. And I'm supposed to give that money to Kachi because he's going back to school next week. There's no way I'm going to leave him empty-handed.
There's no way I'm going to ask you to send your brother back to school empty-handed.
Well, it's next week. And I believe you can cover up for it before then.
Really? Yes. No, Allah, bro. I'll double my effort. I'll be able to raise the money. Thank you.
It's okay.
Thank you so much. I don't know what I would have done without you. Thank you.
It's okay. We are friends, eh? And I believe you can do the same for me. I can do anything to help.
Thank you.
It's okay, my bro.
I'll bring chow.
I tell you. You bless you, don't say every year empty like this. What you mean like this? Correct, yeah.
Brother?
I'm sorry I kept you waiting. I really had to run around to get this money.
I understand. Were you able to raise anything?
Yeah, I took from my good friend Ken, but I just have to pay him back before next week.
Thank God.
Please run along so that they can start treating Papa urgently.
All right. I really have my own needs. But in this situation, how do I even start to talk about them?
Listen, it's fine, all right? Don't worry. I'm very sure that things will improve, okay? But for now, you need to get going so that they can start treating Papa.
I believe God. Please take care of yourself.
I will.
Bye.
Babe,
Yes, baby.
I thought I'd asked you for money earlier, and you said you didn't have any money.
Yes.
But that's a lot of money you're counting.
Babe, this is my savings.
Your savings? My father is sick, and I asked you for money, but you're saving all of this.
But baby, were you expecting me to give you my savings?
I wasn't even asking you for handouts, alright? I was going to pay back every single penny. This is unfair.
Baby, I'm sorry. You know this money is for us. It's our savings. Okay, I'm very sorry.
I can't believe you.
Baby, I'm sorry. Okay, fine. You can have the money for Papa's sake. Baby, you know I love you. I still am sorry. Please. I'm sorry, no. Talk to me.
Oh, my darling.
Daddy,
Oh.
I missed you so much. It's been a lonely 1 year without you.
Honestly, I missed you too. I am happy to have you back. How was the service here?
Daddy, it was awesome. Though stressful, but I enjoyed myself.
Oh, beautiful. I love to hear that.
Yes, Daddy.
You have always made me proud. I am happy to be called your father.
And I am honored to have you as my father.
Oh. You're welcome.
Thank you, Daddy.
Let me not keep you standing here. You need to go and freshen up.
Yeah, I need it.
We have a lot of catching up to do.
All right, Daddy. I'll be downstairs in a jiffy.
It's all right.
Home sweet home.
Girl, see the way you're glowing. See your hair. How will I even fix Fanta in this life? You say, show me where now.
I want to show you where now you did do.
Asa, you don't have to sound like that now. You know I have a man already in my life.
Who? That one, man. Please say something.
Dolly, why are you sounding like this?
My dear, that one is not the man. Anyways, my Barry, my sweet Barry, gave me 300,000 naira this morning for shopping.
What? 300,000 naira?
Oh, yes.
For shopping?
I know you can't relate. Wait. When was the last time your love gave you money? Or even bought something for you?
Yeah, I cannot remember. Has he ever given me anything? Since he opened this food joint for me, he has not given me 1 naira.
And you are still there?
Me, I love him. He's my soulmate, you know.
What is love without money? Yeah.
But girl, look at this iPad.
Don't spoil it for me, please. You can't afford it. Pico.
So fine. Let me just see someone.
Eish!
Open your hair.
Well, are you alright?
I'm not alright, my bro. I'm not alright. Because how long are we supposed to continue like this? Alright, working as bricklayers, assisting them to move blocks into a car. How long are we supposed to continue like this?
Donald, I understand how life has been so unfair to us. But what are we going to do? We'll just have to keep trying.
This wasn't the plan, man. This wasn't the plan. As a kid, I had dreams, alright? And nobody just say I had the dream. I went to school, I made great grades. Why would I end up in somewhere like this?
I understand your pain. Of course you know my story. But here I am, amounting to nothing.
I'm tired. Demoralized is an understatement. How I feel. I don't know what to do. Where do I even go from here?
You know, sometimes I wonder why life has been so unfair to me. Since I lost my parents and all my siblings, except Kachi. Every day I scratch the earth to make ends meet. Bro, I'm equally exhausted. I'm tired.
By the time it's over, guys, get back to work. I'm talking to you guys. Supervisor, we've heard you. Better. Go back to work now.
One so full of himself. Bro, have to keep the faith alive, okay? Let's get back to work. Okay? Cheer up.
Ella,
Yes, Daddy.
now that you are done with your education for now, what are you thinking? What are your plans?
Um, Daddy, I've been researching on something I'm so passionate about.
And what could that be?
You know, the internet is the biggest market in the world right now, and people are making tons of money from social media.
Yes, I know. I've been hiring social media handlers for all my businesses.
Oh, good. So Daddy, I want to become a vlogger. You know, like make videos on certain things bordering on relevant topics in the society, and even on common delicacies that people might be interested in.
Ella, I understand all the hula balloos on social media and all that. But I think you should be thinking of something more befitting to your status.
Um, Daddy, this is what I really want to do. Trust me, it has a huge market out there.
I was thinking you should join me in my company. You take about 6 months to prepare yourself for the task ahead.
No, Daddy, I really want to do my vlogging thing.
Are you expecting anybody?
That must be my friend Kaima.
Oh.
Hello! It's so good to have you back. Good day, sir.
Good day, Kaima. How are you?
I'm fine, sir. And you?
I'm okay. You're welcome.
Thank you, sir.
Ella,
Yes, Daddy.
I should leave the two of you.
All right, Daddy.
Welcome.
Thank you, sir. See you later. Thank you.
All right.
Come on, sit down.
I can't wait to hear all the gist about everything that happened during service, okay?
Don't worry, I've got plenty gist for you. I miss you so much, baby.
My love. How are you?
Fine. Welcome.
You okay? Sandra, there's no food in the house. I'm talking to you now. There's no food in the house.
I did not bring any food.
Why? You know that there's no food in the house. Why didn't you bring back some?
Donald, do I look like I manufacture food? Huh? So because I sell food, I should bring what I sell to people for you to eat. Listen, I am not in a good mood. So please, can you just leave me alone? Please.
This one is too much, man.
Bro, how far now?
Where you dey go now?
I was coming to your place like this. I'm really hungry.
What happened? I hope there's no problem.
No, I'm just really hungry, man.
What is up? Sandra didn't arrange anything for you?
She had sold everything by the time I got there, man. I'm really starving.
Wow. And she couldn't prepare anything at home?
I tell you, sir, they're hungry now.
Alright, it's okay. I'm actually going to get something. So let's go, okay? Correct guy.
What exactly am I doing here? Is this really love, or am I just being stupid? What if after wasting my time and this guy amounts to nothing at the end of the day? Look at Dolly. She has everything at her beck and call. I used to be better than her. I used to be the one dashing her clothes. But look at her today. She has a car and can afford to buy the things she wants. What is wrong with me?
The shoe should blow. I still find it difficult to understand why food should be an issue for you.
No, bro. Truly, you're not gonna understand.
No, make it make sense. Your woman sells food. And I'm aware you opened that business for her. So why would food be an issue for you?
To be honest, coping with Sandra has really been difficult in the last 6 months.
How do you mean?
Bro, Sandra has totally changed. She cares nothing about me, about the things that concern me. I don't know who she is anymore.
Do you both have any misunderstanding?
None that I can remember. All right? Everything changed since she became friends with this Dolly girl.
This is exactly why I don't like women being friends with each other. Especially the single ladies.
Listen, I'm not saying Dolly's a bad person, all right? But Sandra is an adult and she should have a mind of her own.
But you can see our friendship with her has affected her in a different way.
It really breaks my heart what Sandra is becoming. It really does break my heart because she makes more money than I do now, you know, and she's now using it as a weapon against me.
Another reason most men don't want their women doing something tangible. Because the moment they start making money, my bro, you're finished.
Oh, bro, I love this girl, man. I don't want to lose her.
What are you going to do now? It's obvious, bro.
Oh,
Good morning, Daddy.
morning, my dear. How are you?
I'm fine. I had to wake up early to make your breakfast because I need to go get some lighting equipment for my vlogging.
Oh,
Yes, Daddy.
no wonder we already made up this early. But I wanted you to follow me around today. You know, I usually inspect all my businesses today. And it will offer you a great opportunity to know some of your father's investments.
My Daddy, I already made plans for today.
Oh, I'm sorry, my dear. But please, can you reschedule your plans for tomorrow? It is very important to your father.
All right, I will. Anything for my daddy.
That's my daughter. Come on. That's why I love you so.
I love you too. Let's eat.
Babe,
Babe,
how's it going today?
babe, no customers, though. Just here.
I mean, this day is still young, so I'm sure people will come.
I hope so.
Babe, I'm actually very hungry. I need something to eat and take back to work.
Babe, the food has finished. I served him the last one. Maybe you can have this. Just buy bread or anything. Just manage it. Okay?
Thank you.
Welcome, babe. Don't worry.
Sandra, how are you?
Hi, Ken. I'm good. You came to buy food?
Yes, of course. Donald, I didn't know when you left the factory.
Oh, sorry, man. I was so hungry. I just came out to get food. You know, sir, for bring your own. Yeah.
Exactly why I'm here. Have you eaten?
Nah, she said the food is finished.
Oh, and I'm here to eat your delicious meal now.
Oh, it's finished already. I had lots of customers today.
Donald, all right now, let's go and get bread and mineral. Huh?
Yeah.
All right, let's go.
Babe, I'll see you later.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, let's go.
Customer.
Madam,
What do you want?
please give me right now.
How many meat?
2 meat.
Okay. Customer. Don't worry.
Good people are doing well. You can see we are managing, sir.
Oh, yeah. And this is the person managing it.
Oh. Hi.
Look, Chairman is here. The owner of the factory.
Really?
Yes.
I'm here.
Where they come?
Okay.
Good day, G.
Good day, Chief.
Good afternoon. How are you? Yes. I can recognize this one.
Yes, Chief. He's one of our oldest staff.
All right.
Yes.
And you? I've not seen him before.
He must be new. Yes, sir. Not really. He joined 8 months ago.
Ah.
Yes.
Oh, really? I've not recognized him. I've not noticed him. You're welcome.
Bro, you know the chairman is here. You better be fast.
My cook now, and I'm still very hungry.
You can have this. I saw your drink fall. You didn't notice your leg knocked you down. But it's okay. You can have this.
Thank you.
It's nothing.
Babe, I want to ask you a question. What exactly are you gaining from that relationship with Donald? Because I don't see anything.
Oh, it's not what you think. See, I really love this guy so much. Oh. And I know that he loves me more than I do.
That is it. Love. And to you, love is all that matters.
Girl, you don't have to sound like that now.
Ah, God. Babe, wait. Can't you see yourself? You are diminishing every day. Yo, yes. And you're talking about love. Without money.
Girl, listen, I know Donald is not doing well at the moment. But that guy has dreams. And I believe so much in him. I know his light will shine one day, so calm down.
When? And what light are you talking about? Donald that doesn't have any future. Yes.
Dolly.
Wait, let me ask you. How old do you think you are turning this year? Eh? You're a lady. And your reproductive clock is ticking. Be there.
But I really love him.
Babe, open your eyes. Okay, wait. If Donald really loves you, why are you guys not married till now? Oh, you're thinking. He's just using you to satisfy his sexual needs. Oh, yes. Love wanting to. It's not your fault.
Babe. How are you? I thought you'd be asleep.
I can't sleep.
Why, what's wrong?
I want us to talk about something.
What is it?
Donald, we've been in this relationship for 6 years. Please, where is he headed?
Babe, you know we're in this thing together forever.
Please, wait. No, not this night. I am not ready for your motivational quote. Just answer my question.
Babe, you know things haven't exactly been easy. So why don't we just take it easy?
Take what easy? Eh? You know my age, right? Do you know the pressure I face from my parents? My friends? My family? All my friends are in their husband's home. They are married.
But babe, you know my financial status right now, right? As soon as things get better, we will do the needful.
Donald, the clock is ticking for me. I need my man to do the necessary marriage rites. I need to settle down. Good night.
Babe, why are you sounding like...
He's just a common laborer. He's not even in my league.
Why is life cruel to me? My mates are all doing well, even the ones that don't have the brain that I have. Why is my case always different? I can't even raise money to marry the love of my life. This is not fair anymore.
Here you go.
Thank you, baby. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
So you said you followed your dad around the other day?
Yeah, he insisted I get to see some of his business outlets.
Aww. I know how boring that must be for you. You know I know what he hates.
Yeah, honestly, the idea was a bit off for me, but I'm glad I went with him.
Okay, so tell me what happened.
So I met this handsome guy.
Ooh.
Trust me, he caught my attention.
Wow. Really? Okay, so tell me about it.
Calm down. I didn't say anything happened. I just said I saw him.
Hey, you said you saw a handsome dude. Right? So did you collect his number?
Hey, Kaima, calm down. No.
Okay, so don't mind me, okay? I'm just joking. Tell me more about this dude.
Okay, he's a bricklayer in my daddy's block factory.
Ella, are you for real? A bricklayer caught your attention?
Yeah, Kaima, you needed to see this guy. He's so handsome.
Hold on, Ella, hold on. A bricklayer? Are you for real? Huh.
What are you doing here? You're supposed to be working.
Bro, I faced the tribunal yesterday.
Tribunal? What tribunal?
Sandra and her marriage talks. Alright, she's worried that I haven't married her yet. Then, to be honest, I understand her. She's a woman and her reproductive clock is ticking.
Donald, can I ask you a question? Are you ready to get married? I mean, are you ready financially and emotionally?
You know the answer to that question now. I'm not.
Then you must not allow her pressure you into getting married. Bro, marriage is not a part-time thing. Marriage no be boyfriend and girlfriend parole.
Bro, I get it. Alright, I understand it, but you also need to understand it from my perspective. She's a woman, all of her mates are getting married and she's not. It's only natural for her to be worried.
So would you kill yourself for her to be happy? Bro, you need to find yourself before thinking of getting married. Like, you need to really work hard for us to make money before thinking of marriage.
Bro, you don't get it, do you? I really, really love Sandra, right? And I don't want to lose her just because I can't afford to pay for our wedding.
Donald, there's no way you will lose Sandra. If Sandra belongs to you, trust me, she's going to be there for you. Okay? Come on, cheer up.
Break time is over. What are you two still doing here?
Sorry, sir. Getting back to work.
I don't like your attitude to work these days. Better change.
Sorry, sir.
You can do better.
See, Sandra, I'm not saying all this for you to feel moody or sad about your life. But, well, you should. I mean, look at you.
Only I am really trying my best. And Donald is trying as well.
Well, I don't think it's enough. Oh, yes. What stops him from going out there to hustle like his fellow men? What?
Okay, what do you want me to do? Because I'm confused. I don't know what to do. I can't just walk away just like that. I really love this guy so much.
And I told you that love is not everything. It's not. You have to think about your well-being first. And if that entails you walking away from all this charade, then, babe, you bounce.
Sounds so easy.
Yes, it's easy. So easy. Okay, you know what? I'll introduce you to one bobo like that, so he can take care of you. Yes, so you know what it feels like to be with a real man.
Really, it hasn't gotten to that. I will think about it.
Think about it? You're not ready. Let me just go and drop.
Juliet. I wasn't expecting you. Is everything okay?
Well, good afternoon. Honestly, if there was another option, I would not have come here to bother you.
I hope everything is okay. I hope Papa is not sick.
He's not sick. We don't have anything at home. It's that bad.
But Juliet, you're working now. You're a sales girl. I know the salary is not much, but at least you should be able to do something.
I lost my job.
What? Why? How? What happened?
The shop was closed. The owner relocated to abroad with his family. He closed the shop and all of us are out of job.
This is not good now.
Drop it here. Must I tell you everything to do here? Oh, my madam is here. See, put one.
Hi.
Good day, young madam.
Good day.
I didn't know you were coming here today.
Yeah, I'm here to see how work is going.
Oh, that's good. You can see we are doing fine.
Yeah, I see that.
Good day.
Yeah, good day. This is my friend Kaima.
Okay.
So I'm a vlogger. I do video vlogging. So I'm here to make some videos on how the vlog production is being done.
No problem. You're welcome. Take as much videos as you want.
Thank you. I wouldn't want to disturb you, so you can go back to work. I'll just move around and do what I have to do.
Feel comfortable, is alright. Hey, get out now. Move.
What's up? I've not seen the dude. Slow down. Calm down now. Where is he?
Hi, good day. I see you're really working hard.
Yes, of course.
So the other day I saw this other hardworking guy with you. I don't seem to find him around. I guess he's your friend.
Okay, you mean Donald? He left already.
Oh, okay. So this is how work is being done.
Yes, exactly. That's how I'll do it here.
All right.
Thank you.
So the girls now. Shh.
Things have not been easy on me, my sister. Things haven't. I work hard. And I work hard. I work really, really hard. But this daily pay of 7,000 naira, it can't do anything at all.
Brother, I totally understand you. I do not blame you. You have done more than enough for us already.
It just feels like everything is working against me. Every single thing. Right, the pressure is up to here. And now my girl is talking about marriage. And I don't even know what to do.
Brother Donald, on this one I must say, you cannot allow yourself to be pressured.
What do you mean?
Let's be realistic here. You don't have anything. Why should you be talking about marriage?
You don't get it. You don't get it. I love this girl very much. I don't want to lose her.
Well, I have my reservation about this, your Sandra.
Reservations? How do you mean?
She's not the right woman for you.
Who is making my daughter blush?
Daddy, that was creepy. Have you been watching me?
I'm sorry, but I couldn't help it. So tell me, who is the guy that is making you?
Daddy, no way. I'm not discussing that with you.
Ah. I'm your father, and I love to think you're my best friend.
Daddy, of course you're my best friend, but this one is not for your ears yet.
Okay. I respect your boundaries. I respect your boundaries. But tell me, when am I going to see this young man?
Daddy.
Soon?
Yeah, soon.
So, what do we have for dinner?
Oh, I made your favorite unripe plantain porridge.
Ah.
I'll dish you
That's my girl.
Alright, greet Papa for me. I would have bought a phone for him, but alright, I would have loved to buy him a phone so that I can be in contact with him often, but as soon as I have money, I will.
That would be a nice one. He misses you so much, and there's no way to be in contact with you all the time.
Don't worry. I know something will come up soon. As soon as he does, I have money. I'll buy the phone for him, alright? But for now, you need to get going.
Yes, but I overheard you and Sandra last night.
That was nothing.
Come on, brother. Don't try to paint words here. It's clear her mind is no longer in this relationship.
You can't say that. I love Sandra.
Does she love you equally? See, if she truly loves you, she won't be mounting pressure on you, knowing fully what your financial state is.
I don't expect you to understand how these things work.
You keep saying this. What is there to understand? She is not the right woman for you. Stop killing yourself over someone that is not in the same headspace with you.
Okay, I've heard you. Can we go now?
Of course we can.
Ella, don't you think it's creepy going there every day?
Kaima, I don't go there every day. And besides, you said you wanted to see this handsome dude, right?
Well, yes, I said so.
Yeah. Anyways, it's not a bad idea. Yeah, so let's just go. I don't even know if I'm being stupid or what, but I'm kind of developing. I don't even know what to call this crazy feeling.
Ella, he's just a bricklayer. Okay? Get that into your head. And please, let's not forget our social class here, okay?
Climber, come on, you should know I'm more than that. You know I don't care about social class and I don't discriminate. You get?
Okay, ma. Okay, I've heard you. And I've not forgotten that, okay? Drive, let's go.
Don't worry, you'll see how handsome this guy is.
Please, let's go. Let me see the guy that is making my friend's head swell up. Let's go.
Supervisor.
Yeah, madam, good day, ma'am.
Good day. Yes, your guess is as good as mine. Yes.
The floor is yours, let me go back to work.
All right.
Is that him?
Yes. Hi.
Hey, good day.
Good day.
Hi.
I see you guys are at it again.
Yeah.
I'm here to learn.
This is actually very tedious work, you know.
Yeah, I can see that, but I don't mind.
No, like you said, it's a very tedious job and you can't do this.
I'll just take videos. So can I join in the movie now?
This is a very hard job. You can't do it. You could get this.
No, it's okay. I just want to have the experience. Have this. Record me while I work.
Wait. Okay, if you insist.
Yeah. My khaki.
Please put his hand here. No. Little.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
You good?
Yeah, fine.
It's fine. Nice. Okay, maybe try alone.
Okay. Yeah.
That's a lot. Sorry.
Yeah, thank you.
Just reduce it a little.
Okay.
No. Okay. Okay. Nice. Easy.
Yeah, thank you.
What next?
Slow down.
So, my friend,
Mm-hmm.
let's just say I saw what you saw And I must confess, he's really cute.
I told you.
Well, let's go meet them.
Okay, sure.
I'm tired.
Hey,
Hi.
Hi.
thank you for the lesson.
Oh, I mean, it's nothing.
That really meant a lot to me. I am famished. We are actually famished. We want to go get something to eat. Would you like to go with us?
Yes, of course. Yes.
Okay, is there any place we can eat around?
Yeah, just somewhere around.
No, please, don't mind her. Don't ask. Just somewhere not too far where you can actually get a local delicacy like bitter leaf soup or haar soup and even salad soup.
I like
Fried
that.
soup. I know you like it. We usually call it mama put.
Oh.
I just hope you like it.
Yeah, I'd love it. Can we go?
Yes, just let's quickly change and follow you guys.
Okay, we'll wait in the car.
Okay.
Thank you. Bro, I was just about to tell her of Sandra's food joint.
And that was exactly why I stopped you from doing that. Why would you?
Why? You should patronize my woman.
Donald, are you blind?
How do you mean, am I blind?
You know what? Just forget about it. Let's get ready. She's waiting for us.
Ken, I don't really understand you today.
Guy, just flow with the rhythm, okay? Let's go. Get ready.
Just trust me, that money will come.
I'll have to win you first.
Hey, baby.
Oh, that's my baby girl coming.
I want to stay a while.
I can do it, my baby.
Hello. How you doing? Hope I didn't keep you on long.
No. I need it for my angel. Yeah, I'm taking it again.
Come on, we're still here, guys.
Oh, I'm sorry.
And who is this stranger you have with you?
Sandra. Her name is Sandra, my best friend. And Sandra meets Jack, his best friend, my Bobo's best friend.
Nice meeting you, Sandra. Please do me the honor and sit with.
Sandra, you're welcome. Just make yourself comfortable.
An angel like her needs to be pampered.
Yeah.
I get it. Come on, we don't bite. It's our first time.
Jack!
She's new to the game.
You know, this food is really delicious.
Yeah.
I never would have believed that this kind of place will offer such a tasty meal.
Actually, some of the best foods are found in places like this.
Yeah, you're right. Because I've not actually been somewhere like this before.
I know, right?
Yeah.
I like the food. I enjoyed it.
And I'm glad you like it.
I'd like to have a feel of the environment. Can we take a walk?
Okay.
Yeah, we can.
Cool.
That's okay. You guys can go. While I finish up with my food and get back to the factory. Huh?
Okay.
Okay, I have to take a ride now and run some errands. I'll see you later, okay?
I'll call you.
Alright, take care, guys. I'll see you guys later.
All right.
Bye.
Take care.
Ooh, the sun.
Yeah, it's a little bit much.
So tell me, how did you land your job? You seem very passionate about your work.
Well, actually, I'm a very passionate person. I'm extremely passionate about anything and everything that I do.
I love the sound of that.
Thank you.
So, tell me about yourself.
It's really nothing much to tell about myself.
I'm all ears.
Well, I'm the only son of my father. I have an only sister, and my mother is late.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
No, it's fine.
I know how much that hurts. I lost my mom too.
I'm sorry about that. And I am also a graduate of civil engineering.
What? Civil engineering?
And with a first class too.
No way. First class?
Yeah.
And you're doing that?
Yeah, irony of life.
I'm so sorry.
It's no need to be sorry about that.
So... Oh my...
I'm sorry. What, do you need help?
Yes.
Sorry.
Thank you.
You need help to the car? Okay.
You like it?
Yes, babe. It is like that now.
Babe. Babe, what is it? You're not comfortable with me?
I'm not. Jack, don't mind her. She's just shy.
So baby, you need to relax, okay? This is man Richie. The man with so much money. Relax.
Don't reform my hands. Stop it.
Come on, girl. By the time I'm done redesigning you with money, I'm sure nobody will recognize you.
Say that again, man. Say that. Life is good. I want to give you pepper. No, pepper.
Don't do that.
I want to give you pepper. Look. Okay, take this one.
Oh, baby.
Pepper.
Oh.
Get you to the car.
Oh.
Sorry.
Yeah.
Put you down gently. Can you stand?
Yeah.
Sorry.
Easy.
Sorry.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes. I'll just grab my phone from the car and call my driver to come get us because I can't drive.
Oh yeah, I think that's a good idea.
Yeah. Meanwhile, thank you so much.
What are you thanking me for?
For the outing. It was worth it.
You bought me food, I should be thanking you.
Come on. It's nothing. Let me grab my phone.
Okay. Easy.
Oh. Ooh.
Easy.
Yeah.
Easy.
Well, where's the money now?
It's here. Yo. More.
It's 100,000.
I cannot believe this.
I know. I've never seen such huge amount of money before.
Wow. Girl, just like that. I mean, I just met him for the first time and he just gave me this money.
Oh,
Without even sleeping with me.
you've seen what you've been missing. You see? You don't know what you've been missing. Seriously. This is just the tip of an iceberg.
I cannot believe this. Like, it feels so unreal.
You better believe this. I mean, and you will keep missing all this if you keep staying with that loser.
Huh? Babe, listen, it's not that easy. Huh? It's not that easy.
Let me ask you, do you love poverty? I thought as much. You better open your eyes. Time waits for no one. Let's go.
Anyways, thank you. Thank you.
Guy, come and gist me, my ears are itching.
Guy, calm down,
What
Joe.
happened? Tell me.
Your blood today hot, Jerry.
It's supposed to be hot now. Give me the juicy gist.
Which juicy gist, guy? Listen, we just went for a walk and we got to talk about each other and nothing more.
Just that. Are you sure?
Ken, what were you expecting to happen?
Nothing, no. Nothing at all.
Anyways, she's a really good person.
Okay.
She's beautiful.
Uh-huh.
She's intelligent. She's charming, and she's calm.
Sharp. I can see love in the air.
Which air be that? Which love be that? When you come, make we go walk, Charlie. See love in the air.
Love is in the air.
Which mumu love be that?
Yeah.
Baby.
Okay, babe.
Okay. See, out with it. I want the full gist. Everything that happened during the war.
Kaima,
Did you guys
slow down.
What? Don't patronize me, please, okay? Gist me everything that happened. I want to hear everything.
Kaima, it was just a walk. I just got to know a few things about him.
Just a walk. Don't tell me you guys talked and not about the important topic.
Kaima is step by step. Do you expect me to throw myself on him? You know I can't do that.
I know, but, you know, just...
But nothing. I was in the kitchen before you came. Let's go to the kitchen.
Ella.
You're going to give me that. No gist for you. No.
Babe. Please don't leave. We could work things out.
Work what out? How?
You know I love you. Please don't do me like this.
Listen, love doesn't cut in for me anymore. I am ready for a man who is willing to do this life with me, who is ready.
No, but baby, you know I work very hard, alright? Definitely going to make it.
Donald, I loved you. I was willing to do this forever thing with you, but you're not ready.
Babe, look at me. Nobody knows tomorrow, alright?
Says a man who is not even ready to work hard like others.
But I am. I'm trying everything humanly possible. I swear to God, I'm trying.
Besides, tomorrow is Friday and I know it's going to be good.
Ask him. Why is your face like that? Don't tell me you're feeling bad because of him.
Are you sure this is the right thing?
You want to tell me you prefer here, this zoo, to the life Jack promised you? Ah, come on.
Listen, I know that Donald is not rich, but he genuinely loves me.
Love? You say love? What is love without money? All these poor people.
He's really heartbroken now.
Nay, you're beginning to make me feel like a very bad person. I will open my boots and I will remove those your racks.
It's fine. Don't worry. We can go. Chill. Just...
Better. Hop in. Enter. Hey. All this poor people mentality.
Yo, can you chill?
Yeah, I miss that thing. This is not like Donald. He's not here yet. He usually don't come to work late. Is everything okay? Is he sick? He's not here yet.
By this time, see, that guy is beginning to piss me off badly.
Supervisor, you know he usually don't come to work late. I don't know if he's okay. I'm even worried myself.
So why do you always make excuses for him?
It's not like I'm making excuses for him. Then I don't usually come to work late.
Anyway, I don't care what is wrong with him. But tell him his days are numbered in this office. Good day.
Brother, what is it? What happened?
She left me. She left.
Who left? What are you saying?
Sandra, she just said it was over and she left.
Oh, Dad, she was never with you in the first place.
You don't understand. I love her.
Please, brother Donald, let me hear a word. That girl did you a great favor by leaving. You should be saying good riddance to bad rubbish. And you're here sulking.
I don't deserve this. I don't deserve this. I give her myself. I give her everything. I give myself over and over and over again. I don't deserve this.
Please, brother, get yourself together and forget about her. She's not worth all this. Stop cracking yourself over someone who never had feelings for you. Brother, please stop now.
This is too much.
Hello.
Hey, good day.
Good day. I don't see Donald. Where is he?
Donald didn't show up for work today.
Why? Is he okay? Could you please take me to his place?
I really don't know why he didn't show up. I really can't tell. But as of taking you to his place, I'm not sure about that. I'm at work, and there's no way I can actually leave you.
The supervisor, don't worry, I'll call him now. Hi, it's me. I'm at the factory. Could you please come out? Thank you.
Hi.
Hi, good day.
I didn't know you'd be here today.
No, it's no big deal. I'm here to take Ken out. He needs to show me something.
It's alright. You can go.
Thank you.
Okay. Let me quickly go and wear my normal clothes.
All right, I'll wait for you here.
Make sure you don't stain yourself.
It's okay, thank you.
Brother Donna, stop this. You can't beat up yourself all day.
You don't understand what I'm going through.
Because Sandra left, you won't even bother to ask me why I came.
I'm sorry, my head has been all over the place.
Not when I came with good news.
What good news?
Alpha now. This way your face strong like this. Waiting this up. You didn't show up for work today.
Donald, are you alright?
Sandra left. She left me.
Oh, Donald. Can you just stop this? Is this why you didn't show up for work? Juliet, how are you? When did you arrive?
I'm fine, Kim. I came earlier in the day.
Okay, that's nice. You're welcome. Ella, I'm sorry. This is Juliet, Donald's sister.
Oh, hi, Juliet.
Hi.
Listen, I'm sorry, this is not the proper way to welcome you.
No, it's okay. I totally understand. It's fine. I didn't know you had a girlfriend, let alone in a serious relationship.
I did. I loved her a lot. I gave her everything. But I just guess she didn't love me that much.
I'm so sorry. I can only imagine how much that hurts.
It hurts really bad. But I'll be fine.
Of course you'll be fine. Can I take you out?
No?
That's if you don't mind.
I mean, well, anything to help me take my mind off this drama.
Trust me, I'm here for you.
Thank you for this.
It's nothing. Just know that I care.
Ella, come on, cheer up, okay? Please.
Kema, how do I cheer up? I didn't even know he was in a serious relationship.
Which is over now, right?
Still, it doesn't feel right.
And that is why you're in his life now. To make him a better man and make him recover from this hurt.
I just hope I'm not biting more than I can handle.
You're not, baby. You're not. You're just following your heart and you're not doing anything wrong, okay?
Are you sure?
I'm sure. Cheer up. Smile for me.
Stop.
My friend is in love.
Stop, don't even start.
It will be fine, okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Who is she?
My Oga's daughter. What's the for?
She has a good spirit. More like the person you need in your life.
Stop having wild thoughts.
It's obvious she's in love with you. I could see it in her eyes.
What? That's not even possible. Alright, see, I have 100,000 for you and Papa. You have to manage it for now.
Thank you so much. I really appreciate it.
Actually, the person you should thank is Ella because she gave me the money. She actually gave me 150,000.
Wow. You see what I was just saying? She's the one. The right person for you.
Juliet, stop. I just broke up with my girlfriend of how many years and you're already forcing another girl on me.
Sandra was by all standards bad news. That was not the loss. At least you gained your freedom.
Yeah. Enough of the sermon. Can I at least get some sleep?
When will you ever stop and accept the truth?
Oh my God! You mean Jack got all this for me? This is so beautiful! What did I do to deserve all of this?
Hey, my friend, you are born to live life to the fullest. And I'm glad you are no longer with that peddler's guy that has no future.
Girl, all thanks to you. What would I have done without you? My friend.
I'm very happy and now in a better place.
Thank you.
Because now you're no more suffering or smelling.
So let me tell you. Jack said that once he's back, he's going to see my people to make the necessary marriage rites. So girl, I cannot wait for him to come back.
For real?
I am serious.
Oh my God, congratulations!
Thank
We
you.
are ready to play.
Yes. Thank you so much. Thank you.
What about that your job?
Hey, Dolly. Yo, look at me now. Check me out now. I don't upgrade. I cannot go back to that dirty shop. Me, go back to that shop.
Sandra. Hey, God. God, thank you for opening my friend's eyes.
And thank you too. All thanks to you. Thank you so much, my friend.
High five for it.
Thank you.
Bro, what did happen? Why is your face like this? What's happening?
Bro, after everything that I put into this relationship, my time, my emotions, I gave her everything. And she left me just like that.
Bro, are you still on this? She's gone and that's a good thing.
Bro, you don't understand. All right, I love her. I give everything just for this thing to work. Why would she treat me like this?
Of course you tried your best, but it didn't work. Okay? It's obvious she didn't love you enough. Bro, listen. You have to pick up the pieces of yourself and move on. You can't continue this way.
I like how you say it like it's easy. I should just move on. Don't you get it? I give her everything. Where am I supposed to go from here? Where am I supposed to start?
Bro, it's very easy for you to move on, okay? I mean, fix your attention on Ella. Can't you see she's madly in love with you? She loves you, bro.
Can't you see it? She's way out of my league, all right? She's our boss's daughter. What are you thinking?
And so? And from all indication, she has been the one running after you. She seriously wants something serious. Come on, bro. You need to open your heart for her.
Come on, Donald, you have to move on. She's probably out there enjoying her life with her new man. And here you are drying up yourself for her.
It's not really easy, you know. I gave her my all. I gave her my everything. This is unfair.
I know. And I understand. But you can't continue beating yourself up over her.
Right. Thank you for being here with me through these trying times. Thank you for the support.
It's nothing. I'm glad I could help.
Well, enough about me. You haven't told me what your plans are now that NYSC is over.
About that, I have a couple of things I would like to do, which includes vlogging. Ooh, someone is looking stunning.
You like it? I look.
Mm-hmm. You look so handsome.
Stop. You're going to make me shy. Good?
Yeah, it's perfect. You should go try the other ones.
I should.
Okay.
What you think?
The pants look great. They fit you so well.
Which one do you prefer?
I love all of them.
No, but you have to have a favorite.
No, they fit you so well.
Thank you. Thank you. Far too kind. Why is there coming back?
Are they coming back again? Okay.
Yeah, thank you.
Come on. You don't have to thank me.
Nah, sure. Nobody has ever done this for me before. Let alone a woman, so thank you.
Let's just say that the universe has a way of bringing two amazing souls together. Mm-hmm.
Amazing.
Yeah.
So you think I'm amazing?
Of course you are. You are the best. It feels like I've known you for ages. And, you know, there is this peace I feel whenever I'm with you.
Stop it. You're going to make me blush.
I love you, Donald.
I love you, Ella.
You know, I think it's high time you tendered your resignation at the factory.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
I should do that.
Yeah, I mean, you're a civil engineer and a first-class material at that. Cool, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, let me take off this. I have some of my gloves on your lips. I have my gloves on you.
Thank you.
Okay.
So tell me, how did it go with you and Donald?
Pretty cool, I would say.
Just that, Ella.
This girl, you want to know everything.
Of course, I want to know everything now. You're my best friend, and we tell ourselves everything. So, out with it.
Okay. Well, it's going well. We actually went for shopping today, and he's so happy about it.
That's so sweet.
I also told him to turn in his resignation. I mean, I can't have my man working as a bricklayer.
Okay. Anyways, you did right, okay? Yeah, you did right.
God, Kaima, I really love this guy. Like, he makes my heart tingle every second of the day.
Love is so sweet. I got that beg. I beg. Let me find my own. In fact, I'm going to find my own love very soon.
Oh my dear, you need it.
I will. Babes, have you thought about this? How would you break this news to your dad?
Honestly, I haven't thought about it. But you know, my dad, he's very open-minded.
Yeah, that's right. You know what? You can actually make him presentable and change his status.
Well, I have plans to that effect.
Oh, that's my friend. That's so nice. With that being said,
okay.
So what about his friend? I mean, Donald's friend.
Do you mean Ken?
Yes.
Wait, Kaima,
Mm-hmm.
you like Ken?
He's not bad.
What?
Girl, Madam Social Class.
I beg.
So you be loving this guy.
Don't belay yourself if I love. Leave me.
All right. So you get to keep 100. No. Actually, you get to give Papa 100,000, and you get to keep 50 for yourself. Okay. I'll see you guys next week.
Thank you so much, brother. I really appreciate all you have been doing.
Thank God. Listen, ever since I met Ella, God has been faithful.
I knew everything would turn out well the moment that Jezebel Sandra left. And I saw Ella. I knew she would be a blessing to you.
I actually didn't know how much abuse I was enduring in that relationship.
You were in bondage. I'm so happy you're free now.
Anyways, she's in the past, and let her remain in the past, okay?
Okay. So, I need to start going now. I still have to cook lunch for Papa.
Alright, take care.
Why is Jack not yet back? It's over 2 weeks now and he's not back. God, I just hope he's safe over there. It's been long he sent me money last. Who's all this now?
Babe,
Girl,
what's up? Has Jack called you?
no, I'm so worried. I just hope he's safe over there.
You know, I could swear that I saw Jack and Barry. Yes, this afternoon.
Wait, I don't understand. What do you mean?
You know, while I was coming out from the mall, I saw them across the road. And I decided to go there and talk to them. But before I could reach there, they entered their car and drove off.
Does it mean that they are back in the country and they didn't let us know? Because, it doesn't make sense.
Exactly what I thought. And I could swear I saw them.
So, what do you think? Should we go and check if they're back?
My guy.
See my man. Oh, in less than a month, guy, you don't fresh.
Bro, God is good, my bro. God is good.
Guy, you can say that again. Come on, look at you.
Bro, I won't lie. See, God is good, and he blessed me with the best package ever.
Bro, I know that Ella is the angel sent to liberate you from this misery.
Bro, see, that girl is more than a blessing. See, she practically changed my life forever, bro. Forever. I'm not gonna lie for you. Things don't solve.
Yeah, see you now. Man, look, you need to hold that girl tight.
Bro,
don't let her slip off your grip.
Bro, where should they go? We die here, my man.
Correct. Yeah, I believe you.
See, go change. Make I take you out now.
My God. I like the sound of that. Guy. Let me get ready now, but I need to inform the supervisor.
I true say, where's that man?
He's coming.
Donald.
Mr. Supervisor.
How are you?
I'm okay.
So you said to show up for work today?
Actually, no, I didn't show up for work. I came here to take my best friend out. And to also inform you that I might not be returning to work anytime soon. Wait, no, I might not be returning to work here at all.
Really?
Yeah.
You must have hit some jackpot.
Well, let's just say God has finally remembered my chapter.
Correct, don't be lying.
Well,
you know what? Let me just quickly rush and get ready.
Bad guy, I do it for you, don't worry.
Okay. Don't forget us in your paradise. The donut.
Go try.
Can do better. I'll see you.
Yeah, I'm already doing better. You can do better. My guy! I'll fall out.
Say, that's the money you said. What else do you want?
So sweet. What's going on here? Who are they?
And why will you guys barge into my privacy unannounced?
Jack! You're back in the country and you didn't call me.
And so what if I'm back? Am I supposed to put it in the news that I'm back in the country?
What? I deserve some respect from you. At least you should have just called me. I was so worried.
Bro, did you hear that?
What audacity? You mean he will tell you that he's in the country? For what? Are you being serious here? Like, wait.
Barry, what's all this? Who are these sluts?
Excuse me.
Hey, listen, two of you, look, both of you. As you can see, we were busy before you got in here. Now get out!
Jack!
Get out!
Barry!
What's the matter? You look so unsettled.
I don't know. I'm having this very weird feeling. What if you reject me?
Come on, don't be like that. Be very positive. My father is a very accommodating person.
Babe, you know you people are up there and I'm just here. What if
What if nothing happens? My father doesn't bite, okay? So just relax. He's expecting us.
Does he know it's me?
No, he doesn't. I want to surprise him. So he got to see my mind.
This is only making me more nervous.
Come on, relax. Everything will go as planned, okay? Just chill.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay, I'm calm.
Good.
Are you crazy? Are you crazy? Huh? Are you crazy? Are you crazy? No, no, get out of here. Get out of here. Drop that dirty thing!
Hey! Baby!
Animals! Did you see that? The idiots we have been feeding, clothing, has the audacity to challenge me. I, Barry.
So, you. Hello, young man. How are you?
Fine.
Daddy, this is Donald, my boyfriend.
All right. Your face looks familiar. Have we met before?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Daddy, he works at a block factory.
Ella, our factory worker, are you for real?
I'm sorry, Daddy, but he's the one I love.
How are you sure about that guy? I mean, there are so many other guys out there.
No, I know, Daddy, but I love him. Daddy is a good person.
Ella, you know, All I want for you is your happiness. I don't look down on any young man in this my life. I don't care about his social or educational status. But I just want to be sure of your happiness.
Daddy, I understand. That is why I love you so much. Look, Donald is a great guy. Daddy is a first-class graduate of civil engineering.
What?
Yes.
You mean that guy studied civil engineering? Then what is he doing working as a laborer in my factory, in my block factory?
Daddy, you know how this country can be. Life happened to him. But Daddy, he loves me so much and I love him too.
I can't believe this happened to me. This is just like a dream. What have I gotten myself in? Harry had the mind to slap me. And took the guy from me. Oh God. I am such a big fool. I've messed my life up. God. What are we going to do now? What? God. How am I supposed to? Everyone will laugh at me. Laugh at me. How do I face people? How? Barry.
Ella. Donald.
Yes, sir.
You two have my blessings.
Thank you, Daddy.
Thank you, sir.
Donald.
Sir?
I heard you're a graduate of civil engineering.
Yes, sir.
I'll offer you employment in my construction firm. And you will resume next week.
Oh, thank you.
No.
So
Come on, sit down. Sit down. Stand up.
It's just a little too much.
Never you kneel down before a man. You heard me? Anybody at all. You are a man.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Daddy.
Anything for you, my dear. Then I will give you to a house.
What?
In fact, the house is being furnished as we speak.
I don't know what to say, sir. This is a little too much. What have I done to deserve this?
You deserve it for loving my daughter. I want us to wrap up everything concerning the marriage rights within 2 weeks. That's because I want to travel overseas and I will spend a little time in that.
That's totally fine, sir. I'll speak to my father and he'll be taken care of immediately.
That's what I want to hear. Come on.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
You're welcome to my family.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Daddy. Thank you so much.
Yeah. All I need and all I want is your happiness.
Daddy, I love you so much.
It's all right.
So tell me, how did it go? So smart. My daddy didn't have any issue with him.
that means everything is now settled.
Yeah, you can say that again. Oh, cheers.
So, when is the wedding bell ringing?
So fast and so soon. So my daddy wants it in 2 weeks because he's traveling out.
That's nice. So, when is the wedding preparation going to be?
I don't even know where to begin.
Okay. What do you want? And what does Donald want? Okay, like, I mean, what kind of wedding do you both want?
Honestly, we've not discussed about it. And I really do not want an elaborate wedding. And Donald is not a sucker for large crowds too.
That's fine. Just have a conversation with him. They will make a plan.
I'll do that. But thank God I have the best event planner. You know.
Of course, you're my baby girl for life, so I got your back.
Thank you. I know. Cheers again.
My friend is getting married.
Yes.
Honestly, I'm so happy for what God is doing in your life and by the extension of our family.
Well, yes, I really thank God for the day I met Ella. She's been nothing but a source of happiness to me.
Now Papa can have peace once in his life. You need to see how happy he has been.
Tell Papa I'll come see him tomorrow. I just need to settle into the new house first, and then I'll come see him after that.
If you're coming over tomorrow, there's no need of me rushing back today. I should wait, then we go together tomorrow.
Who will take care of him?
He will be fine. There's food for him to eat.
Okay, if you say so. Let's go. Alright. Yes. You can't carry it, it's heavy.
Okay, let's put it in the trunk.
This house holds a lot of memories for me.
Yeah, and you're never coming back here. Let's go, come on.
And thank God you're done with this era of your life.
Let's go, guys.
Thank God.
I should leave him. Oh, please, I'm really sorry. Donald, please, I am very sorry. I don't even know what came over me, but I know it was the devil's handwork. Babe, please, I'm so sorry.
Don't. Listen, babe, I'm very sorry for this embarrassment. I don't know what she's up to. I don't know why she's here, but I really love you, and I don't want you to think anything about this. Let's go.
Donald, please, can we just talk about it? Please.
Let's go.
Please.
Sandra, or whatever you're called, are you not so shameless? You're coming back after all you did to him. I had always known my brother deserved better than you.
Juliet, please, can you just help me talk to him?
You see, in this life, you must reap what you sow.
Please, just talk to him. Can you just help me talk to him, please? Please. Donald. See what I've done to myself. I've messed my life up. I should have been contented with what I had. I should never have left Donald. He was so good to me. He loved me unconditionally. See my life now. It's in shambles.
Where do I go from here? How did this bad luck come into my life? I was doing so well. Never had issues. Men worshipped at my feet. Wait a minute. Could it be what I'm thinking? Is she the reason I am being disappointed all around?
Donald now has a rich girlfriend. He looks so different. All cleaned up and rich.
Good for him. Anyways, we have another problem.
What do you mean?
The landlord came in this morning and he dropped a quick notice for us.
What?
Yes. He said we should vacate this house in less than a week.
What? Hey. Then what are we going to do now?
Who is we? Babe, at this point it's Oyo. On your own, everybody.
Dolly, why do you have to sound this way now? We're in this mess together. We're in this together.
You, Onye? You and who? Since you came into my life, bad luck, left, right, center. Yes! The landlord gave us 1 week. And, you know, this is my house. And I own everything here. So, I want you to leave my house before the end of today.
Wait, Dolly, are you asking me out of your house? Girl, we're in this mess together. You know I do not have anywhere else to go to.
And how is that my business? Huh? I need you out of my house before the end of today.
Dolly, let's trash this. Let's handle this now.
Good day, sir.
Good day. Donald, how are you?
I'm alright.
Please sit.
Thank you.
Sorry for keeping you waiting.
Oh, it's fine, sir. It's not a problem.
I called you because, as you already know, I'll be leaving this country tomorrow morning.
Yeah.
And I want you to be in charge till I return.
In charge? Sorry, I don't understand, sir.
I want to make you my interim managing director.
Sir, that's a very huge responsibility.
Yes, I know. I equally know that you have the capability to handle it. I've watched you for the past 2 months, and I come to realize that you have all the qualities I need in a managing director.
I don't even know what to say, but thank you, sir.
Never mind. We will have to do the necessary documentations.
Okay. Thank you again, sir.
You're welcome.
Donald. My man. Man, I'm so happy for you.
God has been faithful. God really answered my prayers.
Of course. God has finally showed up for you.
See, speaking of which, I want you to come and start work immediately at the firm.
I don't understand. Which work?
My guy say you don't understand. Bro, I'm now the interim MD at last constructions firm, so I'm offering you immediate employment.
Are you serious? You shocked me. Yeah! This is good. This is good news, bro. Thank you very much. Oh my God. Come on, I'm so happy. I'm grateful. Oh my God. You don't know what you've done for me, bro. This is a good news, bro.
Yeah, thank you. Yeah,
Man, you look good.
I should. You're taking good care of me.
It's a good day. Let me get the door for you. Wait. What do you want from me?
Forgive me. I'm sorry for everything.
I don't have anything to do with you anymore. What do you want from me?
Just help me.
Help you with what? See, babe, listen. Don't mind her. Let me just take you home, all right? Let's go.
No, darling. Just hold on, please. Have this.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
What did you do that for?
Babe, just look at her. Has the universe not punished her enough? I mean, you're no longer where she left you. All we can do now is help her.
I guess you're right. If only people will learn to be content with what they have. Because truly, no one knows tomorrow, right?
Right.
I love you.
You know I love you too.
Let me take you home.
Okay.